Climb inside the 2013 Volkswagen EOS. This two-door, four-passenger convertible still has less than 10,000 kilometers. Volkswagen made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, power moonroof, and one-touch window functionality. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, knee airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.